Mama's here.
Is she?
Oh, we have to put her on.
No, she isn't.
Yes, she is.
She's here already? It's not even 5? Anyways.
It's 5.
But she should get off at 5.
Oh.
Yeah, I know this. Okay, good.
Don't turn that up.
Dad.
With technology to make this helmet lighter. Because if the helmet's lighter, it's going to keep the head of the driver in place. Another thing, that Hans device. You know, I wish this thing would have came around a long time ago because the drivers, you know, doesn't let it.
Oh, that was me.
Well, I was drinking. How can I burp it?
Weighs less than a pound. And there's good innovations, but when we right here in this cocoon.
That tastes like free roll. I haven't eaten that in weeks.
The belts are properly affixed. You got padding on both sides of the legs. You know, we do everything we can to, you know, improve safety for these drivers. And this really appeals to where guys are friends. You do a great job.
Oh, it tastes like stir up.
Right, DJ? Yeah, you're exactly right, Tim. We've done a lot of things over the past few years that have really helped the guys that was involved in that accident.
That was my burp.
That was so mean.
Did that look real?
That was so mean.
Cake?
Cookies. Look how big cookies. That was Brianna. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.